What if I told you that you could turn a 50-page report into a video, a slide deck, an infographic, and a full research paper in under 10 minutes? No design skills needed, no hours in PowerPoint, just click a button and it's done. Today I'm showing you how NotebookLM just became the most powerful content creation tool for SEO, and it's going to change everything. This is brand new, this is huge, and if you're still making content the old way, you're already behind. So NotebookLM dropped 4 massive updates, and I'm not talking about small tweaks. I'm talking about features that turn this simple note-taking app into a full content studio. We're talking slide decks, infographics, deep research that searches hundreds of websites for you, and custom video styles that make your content look professional without touching a single design tool. Let me break down what's actually happening here. NotebookLM used to be just an AI assistant that helped you summarize documents. You'd upload a PDF and it would give you notes, that was it. But now it's completely different. You can upload your sources, PDFs, Google Docs, spreadsheets, even images of handwritten notes, and NotebookLM builds an entire knowledge base from all of it. Then here's where it gets crazy. From that same knowledge base, you can generate slides for a presentation, an infographic for social media, a video for YouTube, and a full research report with citations, all from the same sources, all in minutes. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. The first big update is slide decks. You upload your content, click slide deck, and boom, you get a full presentation ready to go. No manual work, no designing each slide, no copying and pasting bullet points, it's done. And the best part, the slides stick to your original content. They don't make stuff up, they don't hallucinate, they pull straight from your sources. So if you're doing client presentations or webinars or teaching a class, you just saved hours of work. The second update is infographics. These are visual summaries of complex information. You can choose if you want it vertical for Instagram, horizontal for a blog post, or square for LinkedIn. You can control the colors, the layout, the number of key points, all through prompts. You just type what you want and NotebookLM creates it. This takes what used to be hours in Canva or Photoshop and turns it into seconds. You're going from research to design to share in literally minutes. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The third update is deep research. This is wild. You give NotebookLM a topic, it goes out and browses hundreds of websites, it compiles everything, it synthesizes the information, and it gives you back a structured report with citations, all automatically. And remember, you can also upload Google Sheets, Word docs, images, whatever you have. So you're building this massive knowledge base, and NotebookLM is doing all the heavy lifting. For SEO research, game changer. For school projects, unbeatable. For content planning, this is what you've been waiting for. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. So back to it. The fourth update is custom video overview styles. NotebookLM already had video overviews. Those are like narrated slideshows made from your content. But now you can type in custom style prompts. You want a modern tech vibe? Type it. You want minimal black and white slides? Type it. You want upbeat and professional for a global audience? Type it. You're not stuck with generic videos anymore. You control the mood, the design, the entire look. And that means your content can actually match your brand instead of looking like everyone else's. Let me show you how this all works together with a real example. Let's say you want to create content about learning guitar in 30 days. This is perfect for SEO because thousands of people search for this every single month. Here's exactly what you do. Step 1 is deep research. You open NotebookLM. You start a deep research session. Here's the exact prompt you type. Research everything about how complete beginners can learn guitar in 30 days. Include best practice methods, daily practice routines, common mistakes beginners make, easiest songs to start with, what type of guitar to buy, how to hold the guitar properly, finger exercises, chord progressions, online resources and apps, success stories from people who learned quickly. Gather information from a guitar teacher blogs, music education sites, YouTube tutorials, and beginner guitar forums. NotebookLM goes out and finds hundreds of sources. It reads everything. Guitar teacher websites, Reddit threads, YouTube descriptions, music blogs. It organizes all of it. It builds you a complete research report with citations. Now you've got this massive knowledge base about learning guitar sitting in your notebook. Step 2, you click slide deck. here's what you type. Create presenter slides showing the complete 30-day guitar learning roadmap for absolute beginners. Day 1 through 10, cover basic chords and finger positioning. Day 11 through 20, cover switching between chords and rhythm. Day 21 through 30, cover playing simple songs. Include visual diagrams for finger placement. Add practice time for each day. Use motivating language. Brand colors black and orange. Include speaker notes with teaching tips. Target audience is adults who think they're too old to learn guitar. Boom, you've got a professional slide deck ready for a webinar or a YouTube video or a client presentation. You didn't design anything, it's done. Step 3, you click infographic. Here's what you type. Create a infographic format showing the 5 most important tips for learning guitar fast. Tip 1 is practice 15 minutes daily, beats 1 hour weekly. Tip 2 is start with 4 basic chords. Tip 3 is use a metronome from day 1. Tip 4 is record yourself to track progress. Tip 5 is learn songs you actually love. Use bold colors, red and black with guitar icons. Minimal, clean design. Make it shareable for Instagram and Pinterest where people search for guitar learning tips. Now you've got a shareable visual for social media. People will save it, share it, and it drives traffic back to your content. Step 4, you click video overview. Here's what you type. Create a video overview titled How Anyone Can Learn Guitar in 30 Days. Even if you think you have no musical talent, cover the biggest myths about learning guitar, explain the proven practice method, show the exact daily routine, include before and after examples, use an encouraging and friendly tone. Visual style should be warm and approachable with clear instructional slides. Target audience is beginners who are intimidated and need confidence that they can actually do this. NotebookLM creates the video, slides, narration, everything. And here's the beautiful part. All 4 of these pieces of content came from the same research, the same sources, the same knowledge base. So now you've got a research report, a slide deck for teaching, an infographic for social media, and a video for YouTube, all about learning guitar in 30 days, all created in under an hour, all from one tool. And here's the thing, this same exact process works for any topic. Meal prep, sleep optimization, trip planning, fitness routines, marketing strategies, whatever your niche is, the workflow is the same. You start with deep research, then you generate your slide deck, then your infographic, then your video, same sources, multiple formats, maximum reach. And you didn't need design skills, you didn't need video editing, you just needed NotebookLM and good prompts. Here's the bottom line. NotebookLM went from being a simple summarization tool to a full content creation studio. Slide decks, infographics, deep research, custom style video overviews. It's all there. And it's changing how we make content. If you're serious about content creation, if you're serious about research, if you're serious about building an online presence, you need to try this workflow yourself. Upload a document, let NotebookLM build you a slide deck, an infographic, a video, all in under 10 minutes, then polish it and publish it. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. That's it for today. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.